Nisalele noma ngivukile ngithi ukubuya ngithi ngisikhathi phepha. Or na-right. Excuse me. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? Welcome to my life. How are you guys doing? Where's Icy? Where? Angazi ngigcine nini ukuzwa ngo-Icy yena. Okay, recently ngoba kuthiwa hey in. But I don't know. It's your nails. We good and you? I'm chilling. Can't complain. Impilo nje iyampila. Vele in. Morning, Mrs. Lemao. Awuwa wena. Awuwa wena. I'm somebody's wife. When last did you go to Groove? I can't even remember. That's how long it has been. Last time I went to Groove, I think, in my cousin's birthday party. And it was like, we're in June, July, August. I don't know, I can't remember. But it's been a long time. Don't these lashes make you feel uncomfortable? No, my babes. They don't. We indoors going to 6th of September. Wait, even worse, I'll be attending my cousin's birthday party on a link 3 chomi. Marasotin. Ish. It's in Pimville. You are gaining weight. Guys. It's weird that I don't see it. Namhlanje ngeke uhlale endlini umzala. Umzala kwenzakalani ziwa kuphi wangibuza leyo nto. Ngoba mina ngazi ukuthi ziyawafa ndaga. Ziwa ba. When is a YouTube plug coming? I don't know. Pena said I could take up until 6 months. So, yeah, really gaining. It looks so good. It's crazy. But thank you though. Let's make a baby. When I know when. Ngiyi baby mina self uthi let's make a baby. When I know when. Wena so new futhi ekhamba la. How does it feel being a baddie? I'm not a baddie. I'm just a pretty girl. Not a baddie. Just a cute hen. A pretty hen. Not a baddie. Alright? Clock it, Zala ziwa yonke indawo. Ziwa kuphi mina ngeSoweto vandag. Joe. So I made a cute dramatic vlog intro for you just for free. Send it to me, let me see. I just wanna be like you. You'll show me. Hey. Funa flash akanye mistake. That up on young trendies. Oh, it is so hot. Chat, when is swimming pool is in it? But when last did I get inside that pool? That water is so cold. Stop vaping your lungs, girl. Ungena happy. Futhi ubeke kahle ukuthi stop vaping your lungs. Yini ngibhema ngama lungs akho? What size are your lashes? I don't know. Yo. Please vlog. Ngivloge injo, ngivloge nyaphi kwenzakalani. Is mom saying there? Nah, she went to work. She went to work. Where's your TikTok account? It's there. Go search it, Tando. It's still there, my babes. It's still there. I have a feeling ukuthi lebele lelne lizophuma. And manje I always trust my gut. Awuthi ngithi extra adjustment le. Awujo. Yeah. Sure. Ah. Is I come back? Yeah, bruh. I joke. Think this idea even if they ban it, it's out of my control. But life has to keep on moving, hey? Life needs to keep on moving. I need to post my content. Proud of Sima. Sima is like on what? 80K now. 19. Proud of her. Did you finish school? No, ish. I still need to do my English task and my tourism task and my Zulu task. And I'm starting to write next week. And those tasks need to be done before I go back to school. And it's a lot. I need to write an essay, bro. 300 to 350 words. Please normalize making longer vlogs. For my 1 hour, yeah. Really? I'll try. But 1 hour is a lot, yo. Who's gonna edit that? Me? I won't. Who's gonna edit? 1 hour. Yo. So you vape. I'm disappointed. Sorry. How? But sorry. Huh? So I can't excuse my own. You are lucky. 300. Tina, 450. I don't think I've ever written out. What? 450 is a lot. I just go look at myself and can I see your hair? Why? It's gonna look otherwise because I mean, it's been in my bonnet. Nobody should judge you because you're living your life. I don't care. Akekho umuntu ozongitshela next ngempilo yami if ngifuna ukuyohosha lapha eHillbrow. Akekho ozongitshela if ngifuna ukuphuza amasavana ayi-16 ngelanga eliyi-1. Akekho ozongitshela so uyangithola mos like awu Joe. What do you want as a career? Oh Lord, I want to be a housewife. I want to be a housewife. Hard labor is not meant for me, child. I want to be a housewife. Chill at home with my kids. Go shopping. You know? And all ass bonus and mau. Let's make bad decisions. What do you mean? What are bad decisions? Clock it. Clock cover.
Hello, babe.
Hello.
Hi, I just wanted to say you look beautiful and I love you. And can you please tell me what you wanna eat?
I did.
You didn't tell me what you wanna eat, babe.
I did.
On what application?
I message.
Okay, I was waiting for your text on WhatsApp. That's my bad. But you look beautiful, babe, and I love you, babe. And I'm gonna go back to making my breakfast, and then I'll order you food in a second.
All right.
Goodbye, my baby. Babe,
Mm.
why are you laughing?
When you can.
I'm just a happy man. What the fuck?
Manje ngihlekisa.
Ngihle ukuthi impilo imnandi nje. Yabo, sometimes impilo uma imnandi kuyahlekisa. Yabo, you understand?
I understand.
I understand wena sithandwa sami. Baby,
Mm.
ish,
Okay.
ninye man, ayish. Alright, sithandwa sami. Hayi, as long as konke kuhamba kahle.
Hayi, konke kuhamba kahle, babe.
Alright, wena sithandwa sami. Hayi, mamela, sesokhuluma ngocingo.
All right, babe.
Yeah, hayi, babe. Uhleka.
Kesakalani kami?
What do you mean? Hey, what do you mean?
Right.
Right, wena.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Ah, baby, baby.
What did you fry?
Hey,
Did you look fry?
hayi, ufraya sithandwa sami, hayi. Uqeda ngiqedile. Uyabo? Uqeda ngiqedile. Sekushoda nje ukuthi ngichophe. Yabo?
Chopani.
Something you don't like, babe, and I love.
Uh, mm.
Yeah.
You leave us sleep.
Eh?
You leave us sleep. Why?
Ngilive Vaseline enotswayi. Kamambela.
Mm.
Yazibona mara ukuthi usangene sithando sami.
And who was wena baby?
Ngisangene ngokuthi ngisangene yini into ekwenza ukuthi ngisangene.
Abantu abathatha kahle ikhanda ne
Mm.
bayidle avocado.
Bese uthi ngalabo abadla ipizza ene-pineapple. Hayi sengiyabuza hayi ukuthi ngi-athethe umuntu.
Fike
Eh?
nje hospital.
Ngibona i-comment.
Angazi nje ukuthi nabo ba-wrong abo.
So wonke umuntu wrong except wena sithando sami.
Ngiyenzeni wrong?
Hayi akusisikhathi
Yeah, sabo.
sokucabanga. Akusisikhathi sokucabanga nje.
Mm.
Hawu u-early no u-11. Yo akho early nje. Babe.
Mm.
Hayi. Awuthi ngiyokudela ukudla wena sense yabo
Mm.
ukuthi umuntu wami adle.
Yeah, okay.
Mm. Most important meal of the day iyanini eyasekuseni wena
Yeah,
B.
babe. Sithi breaker the fast uyangithola mos.
Uyami
Mm. To
ulano.
yebo.
Hayi babe walokhu uhleka nje uhlekani.
Oh.
Hmm?
Hey, hey,
It's a Zulu thing, babe, and I'm trying to adopt it.
hey.
Yini iyachaza njengoba uzibona nawe ubulalwa insidi ungazi ukuthi uhlekani. So mina ngifuna ukuthi mangikhuluma kube nento engathi ngiyavumelana kuyo ngiqala isentence yami hayi
When you say it.
usazoyizwa wena sithanda sami. Yeah,
Mm.
ish mina ngibayakhomenta bathi sikhohlwe ngabo bese kuyi-video call sithandwa sa mame
Bye bye, babe.
sesizokhuluma ngocingo.
Mm. Hi.
Yebo, yes.
Sandika.
Hayi sithandwa sami usu-
Hi.
usuzosala kahle-ke wena sithandwa sami.
Nice, babe.
Okay, imessage yakho ngiqeda ukuyibona mara ufunani from da. You can say the same thing because both of them basically are the same shit.
Ngifuna la bheka ezolo.
Ibizwana. Angazi ukuthi ibizwana.
Yazi ukuthi triple big boss wena.
Alright, so I just look for something that sounds ridiculous. Cha cha cha. Ayikabi. Sengiyasho. Sithando sami. Alright, ngizo triple big boss nani wena mababy.
Ama-wings.
Yeah?
Ama-wings.
Nama wings nani? Phela lapho.
Ne-cold drink.
Hayi, sithandwa sami. Usuzobona nge-app. Imama ikhona. Ufuna yiphi kahle kahle? Ufuna u-H or u-K? Oh wait, uqeda ukuthi ufuna u-H. U-H ukhona lapha kini.
Yeah.
Hayi, sithandwa sami. Awuthi ngibe ngiyo-oda-ke mina wena my love.
Yeah.
Wena hlalo eish babe. Eish. Ngiyawayiphi? Mara mamela.
Ephumaphi?
Hayi phela ngeke ezinye zikhulunywa ku-live. Angazi
Yo.
noma uyazi na.
Mm.
Ezinye zikhulunywa ku-live. Angazi noma uyazi na.
Angazi.
Alright wena my love. Awuthi ngiyokwenzela leya nto.
Mm.
Hayi usuzosala kahle-ke wena sithandwa sami.
Sharp. Ham, enhle ngiyaqosha ham.
Oh, baby,
Sharp.
baby, baby, baby. Oh, baby, oh, baby, baby. Oh, ungazungilaxaze kodwa sithanda so. Ungazungilaxaze ungilahlele phansi le phansi le.
Uya
Aswani.
uyahamba noma wenzani?
Kunzima ngikhumbula umuntu wami.
Hawu.
Awusibheke umuhle kanjani? Yo, yo, baby. Marai, hayi. Eh,
Hamba la. Bye bye baby. Sharp. Hamba
sorry,
od.
baby.
Sharp, sharp.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
sharp. Hey. Hey. Hi. Hey. Hi guys. Ne guys. Askies. Askies. Aw. Seliphelile ikhendlela manje sengibuyile. Ne guys. Man, I need to go start getting ready because like take house zero and askies. Hayi na uthatha isikhathi sakho hayi. Hawu, angazi ukuthi uyahamba engakhi. Bekumele ukuthi ngikuxoshe mina. Hawu. People, mina sengizohamba ne? Do you have any plans today? Yeah, I'm gonna go to Soweto, Pimville, for my cousin's birthday party. And that's what I need to get ready for actually. As in, lo mntana una-3 angazi ukuthi ngiyaphi but ngizofika ngesikhathi sami ngoba ngeke uzongitshela next.
Usile wena yabo wena wena hey usile sengizoziphumela kule life yes
Oh,
yeah hayi ukuthi ungikhiphe bye bye
no. Bye bye.
hawu khohlakele wena yabo wena
Uma.
alright hayi sengizokubona phela
Sharp. Ngiyabona ukuthi wayingena mara. Yeah. Hey, hey guys, uzali ne? Mina ngizonibona, alright? Ngizonibona nje maduzana nje. Uyangizona? Ngizonibona nje. Awuthi ngenze nje ukushaya i-2 spin nje. Uyangizona? Ngizobuya. Uyangizona? Hmm. Ngizobuya. Ne? I go to the festival. Actually, before I go, where are you guys going? Are you guys going to homecoming? Or y'all are going to the Kota festival? Or both? Like, I don't know which one to go to. Hmm. It's a Kota festival. Mama needs a homecoming. And apparently the homecoming tickets are sold out, right? Yo. Hi, Magashem. Nama connections, man. Ngizongena. Ndingumama kaNunu, ndizawungena. We're going to Kota Festival. Where's Kota Festival again? Which one is that FNB? Which event is that FNB? Is it Kota Festival? I don't know. I'm gonna go to Shandesh's one woman show. Isn't that in Limpopo? Probably not. If it's in Limpopo. No. If it's in Gauteng, then maybe. Can't decide now. Tickets are tried. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Ngubani mina kanti? Yes, Kota Festival is at FNB. Alright. And FNB is right here, by the way. Right here. You can see it from like the balcony. So maybe mina ngizozela Kota Festival. Maybe. Okay. I don't know. Or maybe both, honestly. See when a second location. Uyangithola? Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Thola ukuthi surgery yenze izobe ikhona. But yeah, guys, bye bye there. Ngiyanithanda, ngizonibona uma nginibona. Have a lovely night. I mean, have a lovely day. Shit. Yeah. Bye bye.